Do you have crooked teeth? Have you ever wondered why do we get crooked teeth? Hello, this is Dr. Mahesh from Smile Excel Viman Nagar, Pune. Actually, crooked teeth are unique to your personality. If you are happy with it, good. If you are actually unhappy with your crooked teeth, today I will tell you all the details about why do we actually have crooked teeth, what precautions we need to take or what treatment we can do to properly align them. Let's start with what are the causes of crooked teeth. The first is genetics. If your parents have crooked teeth, you will tend to have misaligned or crooked teeth because genetics play an important role about how actually teeth come or erupt in your mouth. Second reason is if the size of the tooth is small, then the teeth will actually not be able to fill the entire gum space of your jaw. Hence, the teeth will tend to erupt in abrupt direction, causing crookedness in your teeth. The third reason is reduced size of the jaw. Scientists say because we are having lot of junk foods, lot of processed foods, our jaw size has actually reduced. Our ancestors used to have bigger jaws because they used to eat lot of raw foods. Because the jaw size has reduced, teeth do not get enough space to erupt properly, causing them to erupt in haphazard manner, and hence we have crooked teeth. The fourth reason of having crooked teeth is poor habits. There are habits such as thumb sucking, tongue thrusting, mouth breathing, which cause crookedness in our teeth. The fifth point is about poor oral hygiene. If you do not properly maintain oral hygiene, so what happens is there will be lot of food lodgement between teeth. Food lodgement in turn will cause loss of tooth structure, or in simple words, cavity. If any tooth is having cavity, the adjacent teeth will tend to drift, causing crookedness in your teeth. The sixth reason is about loss of teeth. If you met with an accident or if you have any facial injury or blow on your face, you tend to lose your teeth prematurely. And if you have lost your tooth, the adjacent teeth will tend to drift in that space, hence causing crookedness in your teeth. Now let us talk about problems that are caused because of the crooked teeth. If you have crooked teeth, the self-cleansing activity in your mouth are compromised. So there will be a lot of food lodgement between teeth. So your teeth become prone to decay. The second problem which can arise because of crooked teeth is gum disease or gum infection. There is a serious disease called as periodontitis. Because of lot of plaque, tartar accumulation, your gums will tend to swell and will tend to have infection. The third problem which will be because of the crooked teeth is you will have compromised chewing. Because chewing doesn't take place properly, you will tend to have lot of digestive problems. The fourth problem which is caused because of crooked teeth is joint ache and frequent headaches. Crooked teeth will tend to put strain on your muscles of your face and jaw, which actually causes serious diseases of this joint and sometimes any muscular problem. The fifth problem because of the crooked teeth is low self-confidence. Few people feel less confident because they have crooked teeth. When it comes to treatment of crooked teeth, your dentist will suggest lot of treatments such as habit breaking appliances, orthodontic appliances and aligners. If you want to know more about crooked teeth and its treatment, you can leave a comment below. Till then, signing off, and please share this video with your friends and families. Thank you very much.